Yo, what's good YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. You don't know, guys, you see what time we're dealing with today. Yeah man, we're back in the music lab, and today we're here with an artist that's no stranger to the channel. Yeah man, we're talking about Rygin King. But before we even jump into that, guys, I gotta check in with my damn mafia. I gotta check on my family, man. How y'all doing today, man? You know how y'all kicking off? Y'all starting off a week, right? I hope you're doing good on this blessed Monday. You know what I'm saying? I hope you enjoyed your weekend. Yeah, I'm hoping you're staying on your purpose, on your grind, and making every day count while you work towards your goals. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. And also make sure you're drinking your water, staying hydrated, because that's a, you know what I'm saying? That's, you know, that's a very easy, simple hack to stay healthy. You know what I'm saying? Also make sure you stay prayed up, man. It's a crazy world, and you can't do it without God. You see me? God always. Have to have God in your life. You see me? Yeah, man. So make sure you're staying prayed up, guys, and you know, keeping your relationship with God, you know what I'm saying, strong, you know what I'm saying, so these blessings can flow. But yeah man, people, like I said, what we are doing today, we have Rygin King. Yeah man, we check out Rygin King, Squad Elite. This was actually requested by Blu-ray, if I'm not mistaken. The Blu-ray, were you the one that requested Squad Elite? I think so. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to Blu-ray. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Blu-ray requested this one. Our family member Blu-ray requested Rygin King Squad Elite. So we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. Yeah, man, I don't know. Rygin King is no stranger to the channel. Very talented artist, one of the top artists. Some people say that's the creator of dancehall trap music. So you don't know Rygin King. Very talented, one of the hottest artists out here. You know what I'm saying? Even, you know, like Rygin King, one of the best dancehall artists. So you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. Rygin can be laying lower lately, but lately we've seen he coming back out with a lot of songs, releasing songs more consistently, you know what I'm saying, than previous years. But we're glad to see him back out here doing his thing. So you got Squad Elite, and we'll check it out and see what's going on today. But if you're new to the channel, guys, go ahead, take this time to go ahead and like and subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you get the videos as soon as I upload them. You don't know what time it is. Yeah man, you're tuned to the latest reaction channel on YouTube. So do yourself a favor so you don't miss out on no videos and then the vibes. Turn on the post notification bell, turn on like and subscribe. Do yourself a favor, you know. You see me? Yeah man, and you are miss out, you gotta watch all the other lames on YouTube. So if you're bad man, I think we even want you over here, you know what I'm saying? So do yourself a favor so you don't miss out. Prize and surprise coming through. You already know what time it is. Drop your comments and all that. Your request, if your request is chosen, you get your shout out, but you also gonna see your comments, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man. Yeah man, guys, we're not gonna hold up the vibes much longer. Yeah man, we're here Rygin King Squad Elite. Let's get it.
I'm here to talk about this done sting Friday and then even know the photo man says. Yeah. Better say well please so.
So Squad Elite, there money and can't take it. What go on?
Crazy man.
Squad Elite. Hey, boy run off with 7 in a tumok. Boom, just chamber place boom up.
Cheese in the one. Yeah man say boy run off with 7 in a tumok. He's in the man, I say I start everything Rygin. You know give man them no one as it starts so then get shot. Cheese on.
He don't run through anywhere them come up and give them a play and result 6 tumok. Arms never too much.
Result 6 tumok.
Shot must it up flip where you push up. Boom, the bushwalker no bush up, pussy look up.
Man say the bushwalker no bush up, pussy look up. Easy no man. Empty it in your face, batty boy. Hey.
White line murder, me deal with J, my friend them a meet. The body killer them cleaner when we touch the street. Somebody liable forget the lead. Squad Elite.
Man say when we touch the street, somebody liable forget the lead. Squad Elite. Yo, Rygin King, your flow, my nigga, your flow. Your tone of voice is top notch. It's elite, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Your flow, your tone of voice, choice of words, melodies, hooks, is elite, bro. It's elite. You know, say it's something called Squad Elite, but you got elite level of artistry, bro. I ain't gonna cap to you. You're one of the, yeah, man. Like the man song them I always say, bro. Your talented is crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? Listen to the man flow, man. Listen.
I'm deal with J, my friend them a meet. The body killer them cleaner when we touch the street. Somebody liable forget the lead. Squad Elite.
Yeah.
Squad Elite.
A station them run go.
Squad elite.
Honestness.
Squad elite.
That mafia, I don't know, elite out here, I want you. Squad elite out here, man. I want you.
Them can't manage.
I know that man, we are elite squad over here, so you see me? Squad elite, how with that? You see me? I take that for Rygin.
Them can't daddy. Hey, fuck it, catch you got like cushion. I'ma squeeze it like I'm a girl bosom. Run up with the chip and say.
It's okay, me squeeze like Miguel Bosom. Easy now, man. Yeah,
Look ya, happy a murderer step anywhere me put a foot ya. Rich badness a then style that we in. I'm a friend, them full of money and the whole of we a killer we got.
Rich badness a them style that we in. My friend them got money and the whole of we a killer. Easy now, man. I'm telling you, man. Rich badness. You see me? Any other badness or sadness.
Horses and Benzes and Beamer. Every fat pussy girl say we love off me niggas. I know me want. We know the talking.
All of the fat pussy girl them love off me niggas. I know me want. We not do the talking. What you mean, man? That I best type of when you and your friend them and star, bro, and else you I best squad that man. Yeah, man. The whole of we get money, whole of we get bitches, the whole of we do things. I want tone, the whole of we pulling strings, making moves. Here, man.
Action, don't be a target. The micro Draco call it this me hockey. Them like
man say what we are do the Michael Draco, we call it Isimiyaki. Can go spray upon you. And that's why
I see it from a wave of my namis. I'm gonna be
Isimiyaki, cause my God, you know that's a cologne, nigga. Gonna spray upon your blow to you. Man say from the wave of your namis. Easy, no?
From a wave of my namis. I'm gonna business, mind your business. Brawling me do it on a business. Call side.
I'm gonna business, mind your business. Brawling me do it on a business.
Down Central, say clean drip. Squad lit. Elite.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, that Golden State jacket harder than a bitch, bro. Where you got that shit, nigga? Cause you don't play NBA, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Where you got that jacket, bro, Rygin? That shit harder than a motherfucker. Since the whole video. I've been looking at that jacket like, yo, that shit fire, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro.
Elite, wildline murder, we deal with G. My friend, them a mish. Look how the killer, them cleaner when we touch the street. Somebody liable, forget the lead. A squad elite. Squad elite. Squad elite. Hey.
Squad elite. People sound good. Sound like Rygin, don't they? Squad elite. Yeah, man.
Them can't money, them can't teddy. Them can't money, them can't teddy. A squad elite.
Rubu.
Squad elite.
Easy now, man.
Squad elite.
Easy now, man, Rygin.
Them can't money, them can't teddy. Them can't money, them can't teddy. Hey.
Roll music.
Okay, catch chicken like. I'm squeezing like.
Easy now, man, Rygin. Yeah, man. Them can't manage it. Squad elite. Yeah, man. Know you mean, Rygin? You did your thing, bro. Very talented artist, man. I'm ready to tracker. The video also dope as hell. You know what I'm saying? And his flow and the lyrics just crazy. So let me know what you think about this one, yo. Yeah, man. A real dope track, this man. Rygin King and him squad out. They doing their thing. You know what I'm saying? The flow, all of that. Crazy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I'm glad to see Rygin King doing his thing, dropping more consistently. Music, mad and turn up. Yeah, man, I want to hear more of this, man. This is a club where this definitely something I'm be playing in my car. You know what I'm saying? This getting added to the playlist. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, this getting added to the playlist, man. Real dope track. Rygin, doing your thing, man. Keep doing your thing, people. Let me know what you think about the one. Drop a comments in the comment section. What was your favorite part? Lyrics, flow, video, hook, whatever it is, drop it in the comment section so we can chop it up. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know, say Jambisco dance, send you. Let me know, so we're strong over here. So yeah, the family's strong. We're going strong, man. Come on, we come taking over this YouTube shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So join the family, become part of the littest family. You know what I'm saying? You see me? Become littest part of the family. Making reaction family on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. You trust me. You subscribe, man. We ain't one of them. You see me? I'm him, not them. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So join the family. Become part of the littest squad on YouTube. Don't miss out. A lot of prize and surprise coming on. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.